What's up, guys? This is Richard Ogle here with my first sound module importation, however you call it, tutorial. Woo! Okay, today it's going to be very hard, so follow my instructions. First thing you're going to go to is Railworks America. I have it in my special tabs, as you see right here. Technical difficulties right now. My Chrome is being stupid, so I want to go ahead and play some music real quick while it's loading. Okay, here we go. So go to www.railworksamerica.com right there, and it takes you right to the home. Now go to File Library. Just click that. Click Search File Library, and I went and today I'm looking for the M8 sound, or the motor pack, and there it is right now. This is by Fan Railer. He's a really good YouTuber for Railworks. For all these cool stuff that he makes. So all the credits to him for the download. And thank you for doing this for us, man. We do appreciate it. I believe that's one of his pictures that he took. So I do like that picture a lot. If I have permission, I would like to use it as my screensaver for my phone. Okay, so you're going to download it. So there's a blue button that said download. You're going to hit that, and yeah, right there. So you want to hit that, and as you can see, it's a RAR file. Trouble. No problem. That's what this tutorial is about, helping you fix it. Now, most of the instructions have the RAR file for it. When you open it, you can't do anything. Luckily, you only need one tool, and that is this tool right there. And all these highlights right there that I highlighted, those are fan railers or stuff. That's how much it down. So that is the tool you want to use WinRAR 64-521 for Windows. If you have a Mac, then you find Mac. But that's the tool you'll be using, and that's it pretty much. So just follow along as what I do for all this. So when you download that, it's going to have special icons. Now, I'm going to do this motor sound pack. And whatever you do not click the top folder where it says file folder. Because watch what happens when I do that. Is not going to be good. Apparently, yeah, don't click that. Otherwise, it takes you to your download stuff, and you want it to go down. It's a crazy and wild goose chase. So just follow along what I do. Whatever you do, don't hit the top one. Otherwise, yeah, you'll be in a wild goose chase for hours, and you're going to give up. So you're going to find the text document. There's always one. And you're going to read the instructions because there's always different instructions to what you want to do. Now, first one says proceed to open folders until your directory reads C. Program files, 86, Steam, CMAPS, Common, Railworks, Assets, RSC, and M8 pack number 1. So that is the first thing we're going to do. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to minimize that. Do not exit out, otherwise you'll have to open it again. So, OS, Program Files, go down to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Railworks, Assets, RSC, M8 pack number 1. As you can see, I already downloaded all of that stuff, even the Leslie horn with the doors included. Alright, back up the notepad. For the next instruction, highlight all the folders in the RAR file and drag them into the file directory from step 1. So you go drag them into where you're at right now. No problem. That's why you minimize the WinRAR file that you open down there. So you want to highlight all the files except for the first one, like I already did, and you're going to drag them into the first step, which it is right now. Since I already did that, you want to copy them, and then um, for that right there, you're going to right click it, if it'll let me, and you're going to hit extract here. And it's going to open up all the files, and it's going to open up to audio, that top folder right there, rail vehicles, electric, M8, and there's going to be two ones. The exterior, those are the horns I downloaded with the doors from Fanrailer, and there it is. You hit the motors, and then you are good to go. Now, what you're going to do is open up Train Simulator 2015 up there and test it. So I'll give you all special instructions on where to test and how to test it. And yeah, you'll definitely hear it, and hopefully it works for you. So let's hear what it sounds like. Alright, here we go. I opened it up, and here's my recommended place to get it. So you want to go to the M8, and then you want to go to Northeast Quarter. There's a problem here where it says M8 Metro North, third rail, 2 cars. You want the pantograph 6 cars in the directory. I did mess that up. And then you can screw around with time. So go from Newark Penn to CCS Junction on the Northeast Quarter, the first one. Go ahead, hit start. And then it should be good. Let it load. I'll play a little bit more music while it loads. Here we go, it just opened. Now, let's take a look around the cab. Alright, everything is good where it's supposed to be. Go ahead and set it to forward. The reverser. And, yeah, that's what it looks like on the side. So, here are the doors. Right there. I like it how it does that. And then play the horn for a minute. Yep. So if you accidentally did what I did on DC mode, go to AC pantograph mode. It raises up the pantograph. And yeah, but one problem when you want to accelerate, you gotta hold A and press it. And the door's closed. Excellent. Now go reverse forward. Then there you go. There is that M7 sound that I imported. Yeah, if you did the same mistake as I did with choosing the train, then I'll hold down the A. But yeah. When you're testing this, make sure you change the cab view, or not the cab view, the cab signals from cut in to cut off by hitting Control D when the train loads. Well, that is my tutorial. Thank you all for watching. Credits to Fanrailer for this download, and I'll put all of his files in a description, a link in description of a search file for Rogues America. Until then, this is Richard Ogle, helping with this tutorial for the first time with the module, and I will see you all soon. Laters.